Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Friday, September 30th, 2022, also known to the teachers as Payday. Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today for breakfast, we may possibly be having apple frudel. I'm not sure what an apple frudel is, but it sounds delightful. Sausage patty, juice, and fruit. For lunch, it will be deli sub, romaine and tomatoes, tater tots, chips, fruit, and juice. Today's announcements. Please make sure you're posting your attendance between 8:20 and 8:30. Teachers, you are doing a fantastic job of that. Grades. Please make sure you're printing weekly grade books for each course or keep an updated electronic copy just in case. Also, speaking of grades, we are rapidly reaching the end of the first quarter. It has gone by so fast. At this point, the majority of your grades should be in your grade book, and you should just be putting the finishing touches on them. Please make sure that you have the majority of your grades entered into Schoology so that next week when we get ready to import, everything will be ready to go. Fifth grade teachers, please send the 5A newscast team to the Collab Lab at 9:15. That's my first group, the 5A newscast team at 9:15. Thank you very much. Also, there will be no library or technology classes next week. All of those classes will resume on October 10th. Today's late duty is Miss Lowe. And I've fallen down on my job for the next week, but stay tuned for Monday's announcements and you'll be surprised. Important dates. Very important thing going on today. Two very important things going on today. First of all, we have Going Gold for Maddie, where we're wearing a gold t-shirt with a $1 donation to St. Jude. And also, it's a Feel Good Friday. We feel good for supporting a cause that is a great cause and for doing some good in the world. And we feel a little extra good, too, because it's Friday. So everybody, have a great Feel Good Friday. Teachers, treats coming in the future. October 3rd, so Monday, we have an exciting thing happening. We have the Environmental Center presentation that's going to be for 2nd and 3rd graders. Those presentations are going to take place in the gym at 9 o'clock and 9:55-ish. That'll be fun. October 6th, United Way out of uniform for a $2 donation. October 7th is already the end of our first quarter, next Friday. It goes so fast. October 10th, no school for kiddos and teachers. We have a work day. October 11th, we start off that second quarter already. October 14th, 5th grade is going on a field trip to Davidson. I'm going to see if they'll let me go with them. October 17th through 21st, it's the book fair. Okay, friends, be gathering up your change, talking to mom and dad about buying some books at the book fair. October 17th, we have the Red Cross Blood Mobile. That's for adults. October 21st, we have Kona Ice. That's for everybody. October 24th through 28th is Miss Pate's favorite week of the year, Red Ribbon Week. Today's birthdays, we have Maria Juan Antonio and Jeremiah Harrison. Happy birthday to you two friends. Also, we are still taking questions for our question of the day. Very soon, my research team is going to be working on these. So we are excited. Hopefully, we will have a question of the day and an answer each day until we keep running out of them. Also, very exciting announcement today. Congratulations to our very own Rowan Doe, who is one of our newscast team members and a fabulous 4th grader. He was Shepherd's Red Ribbon Award winner. Rowan attended the 22-23 Superintendent's Red Ribbon Leadership Program and represented Kate Shepherd and Mobile County Schools well. He will soon complete a community service project themed We Love Our Veterans and First Responders, and I imagine that you will have an opportunity to assist with him with that. Exciting news. Great job, Rowan. And here we have a lovely picture of Rowan with our very own Miss Linscomb, the principal, and Mr. Threadgill, who is the superintendent. That's all for today's news. Have a fantastic Friday, Shepherd Scholars.